he said it well, we're seeing a lot of adoption of data reporting and data management systems to bring all of the various informatics data together. So to Lee's point, LIMS is very good at working in the lab and to some degree taking process samples in process. You got your traceability systems, you may have your MES systems that are collecting other data, other in-process quality control, you've got HACCP systems, you've got all these kind of systems that are very much designed for purpose-built data collection. But to get to that ultimate predictability, then you need to be able to report on that data kind of combined all together, because you want to know, like, did I miss a critical control point, and did that happen? Like, I want to know that before the sample got into the lab, and you want to be able to see that data and predict on that data. So we're seeing a lot of, data analytics systems, whether those are coming from the specific vendors that are offering the solutions, or if they're going to a big data solution, we're seeing a lot of that. But we're also seeing in that investment is a lot of just the core informatics solutions being implemented, because to Lee's point, it's hard to get that data from Excel or Word or something like that. So behind that, we're seeing a lot of systemization of what used to be manual or paper process or kind of Excel Word processing. And we're also seeing a lot of investment in kind of those real-time sensors and other things you can put right in process, where you can collect that data in real time, whether you're feeding that into one of the data collection systems or directly into the data management and data reporting solution itself. So we're seeing all of that kind of investment from customers as we look at, food and beverage scaling and getting more digitized and more data driven.